I want eat chunky chewy chicken and chicken. Chewy chicken, cheese, chicken, chunky, chestnut, cherry, chive, chippy, chahan, chocolate, churro. Chunky chewy chicken and chicken is what my little brother wants for dinner tonight. He is a very child. I don't like it. I won't eat it. I won't eat chunky chewy chicken and chicken. No, one go by. I hate chunky chewy chicken and the chicken. Oh, that all. Oh, yummy to me. Something both for me feel like a big goal. For example, chestnut or big up and chahan. And for dessert, cherry and chocolate. No, churro. But I won't eat chunky chewy chicken and chicken. That's all for me.